this video, we'll be demonstrating the proper technique and appropriate tools to effectively clean your cleanroom surfaces. The human eye can typically only detect particles larger than 40 microns in size. Many particles of concern within a controlled space are far smaller than what we can actually see. So when it comes to cleanroom cleaning, strict and methodical cleaning protocols are key to maintaining high standards of contamination control. Improper cleaning techniques can have serious consequences, including compromised product integrity, damage to reputation, and significant financial loss. When looking to correctly clean your cleanroom surfaces, firstly review the cleaning products to ensure they're fit for purpose. Key areas to check include ensuring the packaging is free from damage, the sterility of the product, the type of product, and the expiry dates. Once you've selected and checked your products, spray the surface evenly with the cleaning chemical. Then take your dry wipe and fold into quarters, half and half again. Always starting from the back of your surface, press the wipe down with a good amount of pressure, using more of your palm than your fingers. This ensures the best level of contact between the wipe, chemical, and surface. Then, wipe the surface in one unidirectional stroke. After the first wipe, flip the wipe over to use the clean side. Then, return to your surface and repeat, but this time with a minimum of 50% overlap from where you previously wiped. This ensures that no areas of the surface are missed. All 4 sides of the wipe should only be used once. After this, dispose of the contaminated wipe and introduce a new, clean wipe. Continue cleaning your surface following this method. If you notice that your surface starts to dry, you can apply more of your chosen chemical. Cleaning technique makes a huge difference with removing contaminants. Cleaning in a circular motion, maybe like we would at home on a kitchen surface, just spreads the contamination around and doesn't actually remove it from the surface. So by utilising the correct methods and products for your controlled environment, you'll effectively remove contaminants from your workstations, maintaining application quality and have peace of mind when working on these surfaces. For more information on our cleaning and disinfection solutions, reach out to a member of our team.